Hi everyone! Let's marvel at these rare moments of nature. Phenomena so incredible, they only happen once in a billion years. Each one is a breathtaking miracle, surely leaving you spellbound. Here's the 1 in a billion moments in nature collection, brought to you by Lowa. On October 17th, tourists on the island of Cyprus were left awestruck by a hundreds-meter-high water spout. It was formed when warm, moist air moved beneath a cold, dry air mass, which led to the creation of air vortices.
New feather growth. These hornbill birds deliberately perch on ant nests, letting the ants crawl all over their bodies. Why? This helps them rid themselves of parasites, groom their feathers, and stimulate new. The undulating clouds in the sky made the city feel like it was submerged beneath the ocean. This phenomenon is known as undulatus asperatus clouds, with their shape resembling wild, swirling waves. It's often a sign that a major storm is coming to craft medicine for colds and other ailments. The Corymbia opaca tree doesn't stand out much from other species at first glance. But the real wonder happens when you slice into the trunk, which exposes streaks of rich, dark red fluid. The tree's sap is thick and quickly hardens, sticking firmly to the trunk. Australian indigenous people have long harvested it to mild irritation to sensitive skin. Moon jellyfish are easily recognizable by their round, clear bodies and distinctive circular patterns inside, typically found in warm coastal regions. Can you guess what this might be? Some speculate that these are moon jellyfish drifting onto the shore. They are usually harmless to humans, but their stinging cells can sometimes cause Thanks to its skin proteins, tilefish can change colors in the blink of an eye. I bet many kids have dreamed of becoming tiny and swimming in the sea of cappuccino foam. Now, nature has made that dream come true. The East Coast low storm unleashed a strange sea of foam along Australia's coastline, leaving us speechless in amazement. Captured UFO evidence? Proof of alien landing on Earth? Nope, it's just a piece of art recreated by drone pilot and filmmaker Nathan McBride. At first glance, these bubbles might seem like leftover soap foam after a wash, but they're actually methane bubbles rising from sinkholes below the Earth's surface. When a volcano in New Zealand suddenly erupted in pink smoke, it left many stunned and skeptical about its authenticity. The truth quickly came to light. It was stunning graphic art by Philip Hodas. However, the pink volcano's beauty wasn't entirely fictional, as Camille Vivier had truly captured a real-life scene. From a distance, the road ahead looks dark and foreboding. But up close, it's not quite what we expected, is it? Flooding in the Palmyra Desert is a rare phenomenon, where sudden rains transform the arid land into a fleeting oasis. Resembling this surreal sight. The blue-footed booby stands out with its bright blue feet, using them to impress mates during breeding season with its unique dance moves. Located just 35 miles northeast of Dakar, Senegal's capital, Wow Earth is taking you to Lake Retba, also known as Loch Rose, an exquisite destination with unique natural beauty. The lake is famous for its pink hue from Dunalela salina algae and its high salt concentration, offering visitors one-of-a-kind, unforgettable experiences. The lake dazzles with its most vibrant hues during the dry season, from late January to early March. However, the September 2022 floods temporarily halted salt harvesting and deprived the lake of its striking color. Even so, the lake still holds its charm as a must-see spot, delivering unique adventures and the chance to marvel at its rare beauty.